Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Zahratul Izzah. I'm from 11 Science 6. In this video, I want to show you how to organize your tasks or assignments from an application named Notion. For those who haven't know about Notion, Notion is an application that provides components such as notes, databases, Kanban boards, wikis, calendars, and reminders. First, you must have your Notion app already installed in your laptop or PC. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with your Gmail or Apple account. And you can just log in if you already have an account. Second, click the Edit Page button on the left side, and then you will see a blank page after that. Third, give the blank page a title. You can also add an icon by clicking the Add an Icon button on the left top of the title. Fourth, scroll down the page and choose the Table option. Fifth, fill in the very top columns with names. Sixth, type down your assignment or task in the first column of name rows. And then click the subject column. Take a look at options in multi-select section and then choose select. Then type down the subject names of the first assignment. Add the due date and status too. You can also add additional notes in the last column. Like before, you can add an icon in the column. Seventh, repeat steps that has been told before until there are many assignments listed on the table. Eighth, don't forget to add the description under the title. And done! You can now list all your assignments here, so it will be more organized. And this marks the end of the video. Thank you for watching and sorry if I made some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.